I don't think he meant to do that.
No, no, do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself. And we mean that. Yeah, we mean that.
It's Splatter and Dodge. That's easy. They're everywhere. Destroyed. Did you say destroyed? There's a little teeny problem,
If
boss.
you're talking...
Hooray, we're going to have a party. We're going to have a party. Who's got the balloons? Who's got the balloons? But we might hurt somebody or something. What are you going to do? Yeah. Boss, did you mean to do that?
These are the last set of buffers on this island. It's got to be this one. What if it is? What's on the other side? Are we supposed to go through it? Not we. You. Not me. You. This is a job for the boss. We'll tell him tomorrow.
No, do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself. And we mean that. Yeah, we mean that.